Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. To do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the always on display and lock screen. No, wait, not this section. Passwords and security. Then go to the fingerprint unlock. Then you have to set up screen lock. You can set up pattern, pin or password. So let's select pin. Then you have 5 seconds to get to know with this information. Got it. So here you have to enter your pin. Then you have to confirm it. And now what you have to do is to scan your fingerprint. So you have fingerprint scanner on power button here, and what you have to do is to just tap it with your finger several times in order for it to remember your fingerprint. So yeah, so now we just tap it several times and almost done. And now you can unlock your device without entering any PIN code, just with your fingerprint. Just like this. You don't even have to press button, you just slightly touch it with your finger and device is instantly unlocked. Such a nice feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.